Welcome to Mac and PC Prime video. Today I went to show you Cubase 14 and Nuendo 14 install. Let's open this Cubase 14 recording software and create a new project. Now let's press record. Look here, the recording doesn't work. It shows all audio input, but not recording. Only let's see how to fix this problem. To solve this problem, first go to the search bar and type terminal. Then copy the command given in the link below description. Then paste it in the terminal and enter. Now it asks for a password. You need to enter your user password here. Then close the terminal and open Cubase 14. Now when the Cubase 14 opens, it asks for this access to the microphone permission. We click Allow for that. Then create a new project. Now let's press record. Now look here. Everything I say is being recorded. Video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below and add it to my list of video to create. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. I hope enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.